What is going on, guys? Today I'm going to be removing the front door panel on both sides for my Skyline R33. Two reasons. One reason is I want to remove the speaker because I did a stereo delete inside the car and I will not be needing the speakers. The other reason is I'm going to paint my side mirrors black. So in order to access the side mirrors, I need to remove the front door panel. At the bottom, there's going to be two Phillips head screws. There's one right there, and there's one right there. Well, actually we have three here. So 1, 2, and 3. Here's so you can get a better view. So we're going to remove those first. And then there's going to be a second screw right in there. So I removed the 3 screws from the bottom. See, took them all out. Now there's going to be one more in here. So I got a flathead screw, and I'm just going to open this tab in here. And there's another Phillips head screw in there. So I'm going to remove that screw. Alright. Put it right there. These ones over here. And there's a few more things I gotta do. So I gotta remove basically the trim around where the door opens from. So let's pull that out. If you can't get it off, use a flathead screwdriver. Alright, so it came off just like that. Make sure you pull from this side though. So make sure the door is good, yeah. And there's gonna be another screw right there. We're gonna remove that also. And keep putting these screws on the side. Don't lose them. I'm gonna put this here also. Just remember where you're taking them out from, or put them separately. There we go. That way I'll remember where they all came from. And now what you want to do is put your finger under here and pull this up. It'll take a little bit of force. And if it doesn't go up, use a flathead screwdriver. And be careful, don't rip it out because there are wires attached to it. Yes, I pulled this out. So you gotta pull hard but be gentle at the same time. What I mean by that is pull hard but also keep your hand on top so you don't pull it out, yank it out right away, because there's some wire attached to it for obviously the window to open and close. So what you want to do now is remove this wiring harness. So you press this button here, this clip thing, push it in, and then pull the harness out. Alright, so this bad boy's out, and now I'm going to put this on the side too. Just leave it here, leave both these pieces here, make sure I don't step on it, and then we can take the door off. Or the panel off, not the door off. There's some stuff falling here. Don't worry, it's not pieces of the door. It's just that whoever worked on this car before, I guess they dropped some stuff in there because I just had a penny fall out, a screw fall out, and a lighter. So somebody lost something in there. Yeah, whatever. So we're gonna pull this out. Pull from the bottom first and then go around the sides and then pull from there and then lift it up, because it hooks onto over here. So pull from the bottom, that side, then that side, and then lift, and then it'll come right off. Alright, there we go. It's out, super duper light. We're just gonna put it on the side here. Check it out, that's there. And I'm just gonna turn the car off here for a second. It's just been sitting, so I thought I'd let it idle. Alright guys, just a little tip here. So for the passenger side, when you're removing the door, let me show you how to do it properly. So the process is exactly the same. So this is different obviously on the passenger side. So you just follow it to the bottom here. You're gonna see this over here, and you remove that clip. This comes off, and inside there's gonna be a Phillips head screw. And what you're gonna do is you want to remove that. Should be pretty easy to do. Guys, check it out. One more thing for the passenger side. So you want to pop this button out too before you open take the door panel off, because there's a screw behind this. So what I noticed was if you put a flathead screwdriver here and you lift this lifts up, then you can remove what you call it, it's gonna be a screw here you're gonna have to remove. Yeah, so you see it in there, you remove that Phillips head screw, and then you can take this door panel off too. But just trying to figure this out here. Okay, so once this pops out, what you want to do is there's gonna be two clips, one over here, one on this side. What you want to do is put your finger under it and lift one side up, pull it out, and same for the other side. Lift it or use a flathead screwdriver, whatever helps you, and pull it out, and this cover should come off. Check it out. That cover just comes off just like that, and then there's gonna be a Phillips screw in there, right there, and you want to remove that. And alright, just figured something out here. You don't have to send this wire through. There's a harness it connects to. You just unplug the harness, something just to make life difficult for you. I guess that's why they made it. But yeah, you don't need to pull the wire out or anything. You could just leave it as is, the way it is. But you do have to take that trim piece off, the trim that's over the button here. And then once that's off, you can also put this to the side wherever you want. And then yeah, then I'll start removing the speaker and the side mirror from this side. Alright, and that's how you remove the door panel.